Hey, hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is March the 20th. We're out here in Buckhead. We're about to do a screen and recoat with the UV Cure. This client was actually referred to us by one of our other clients. We did their floors, and they referred us to their friend. So we are at the Park Place condominiums right here in Buckhead, right on the Peachtree Road. And one thing about these condos, guys, sometimes it can take a lot of work just to get in the building. So I just went and checked in, got my badge. So what we're about to do now is start getting some of our equipment to get on the elevator, go upstairs. I did 4 consultations yesterday, all 4 jobs booked. 2 of them already on the schedule. The other 2 said once they figure out their schedule, they're going to get on the schedule. And this is all we're doing today. Tomorrow, we got 2 projects, and one of those project consultations that I did yesterday is one of the ones we're going to be doing tomorrow. Also a consultation, paid consultation came in today. She booked for tomorrow morning. So yeah, guys, we're about to go in here and start getting our equipment and show you what we got going. Stay tuned. All right, guys, these are the floors that we're doing. And let me tell you about these floors. This is a brand new install, okay? And they find out that looking at the floors, they said when they came and did the walkthrough, they were like, Courtney, we don't know what they put on these floors. Because they said the floors used to be darker. So the floors were sanded, but they say, Courtney, they're scuffing up and they just do not look like there's enough finish on the floor. They did not want to go with that same company again because they said they was being very hostile. And they're like, you know what? And I'm telling you guys, listen to what I'm telling you. Sometimes people don't complain. Sometimes people won't leave bad reviews. Sometimes people, what they won't do, they just won't use you again. And I'm that type of person. I'm not going to go back and forth with somebody. I like, you know what? It is what it is. I'll just find somebody else. But you just lost my business, right? So if you look at these floors, guys, look at these floors, man. What I think, they did not use a good quality finish on these floors, and while the contractors have been here working, it has basically been not scratching, but scuffing up the floors very easy. So again, we are in the heart of Buckhead. This is Buckhead, and again, this client was referred to me, and I'm trying to find the condo that I work in a lot. There's a lot of condos here in Buckhead. All right. So all of these are just condos, and of course you got your residential. This is a beautiful view. But guys, anyway, check out this condo, man. Look how big this condo is. So we're gonna be doing all these floors. They had some renovations done in the kitchen. So when I came and did the in-home consultation, I saw all of this. So we're gonna be doing all these floors, and guys, these floors just look dry, all right? All of this. Okay, all of this. Let me look at this guy. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at this. Come on now. Does that look like a finished product? I don't think so. All right, here, on through here. This bedroom right here. Got my guy Tavares here. Here. These mattresses, we're gonna just take these mattresses and slide them into the bathroom. And do we got light in this bathroom? No. And also we have a closet because I need to go get a light for this closet. So they're still getting some renovations done. So again, guys, when you do good work, man, you treat people right and you say what you're going to do. Again, just like this job, this job is a referral, all right, from one of my other clients that I've done not far away. And I'm telling you, man, this is why I try to help so many contractors. Is charge accordingly. Charge, man, where you can make profit. And if something does happen, you can come back. And this is why a lot of contractors do not stand behind their work because they don't charge enough. So, unfortunately, they can't afford to come back. But at the same time, sometimes clients, homeowners have to do their own research to know what you're getting and who you are hiring. All right, guys, going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Yeah. yeah. 27 floors up. Buckhead nights, Truman lights. 27 floors up.
Yeah, we bring it back to life.
Send it all wrong, now we do it Truman right.
Red coat glow, yeah, it's shining so bright.
UV hit it once, now we locked in tight.
One day flow, yeah, we in and we gone.
Flying like wow, yeah, the damage undone.
From a referral, now the legacy run.
Truman on the floor, yeah, we already won. Yeah. Buckhead view with the city in the glass. Floors had scars from the work in the past. Sanding boys tried, but they rushed through the cracks. Left it looking dope, couldn't make it last. Now I step in, pressure with precision. Every pass clean, yeah, you see the division between every work and elite level vision. Truman system, it's a different religion. 1600 feet,
Yeah, we gliding through space.
every boy line up, now it
Flow with grace. Client looking down like this a whole new place. Turn mistakes into shine, that's the Truman way. Luz, brillo, vida nueva. Luz, brillo, vida nueva.
27 floors up.
Yeah, we bring it back to life.
Saying it all wrong, now we do it Truman right.
Red coat glow, yeah, it's shining so bright.
UV hit it once, now we locked in tight.
One day flow, yeah, we in and we gone.
Flying like wow, yeah, the damage undone.
From a referral, now the legacy run.
Truman on the floor, yeah, we already won. Referral call, yeah, that word of mouth power. Penthouse job, perfect timing, right hour. They done seen what I did down the hall. Now I'm back to back, booked in the tower. Screen it down, bring the surface alive. Micro scratches disappear when I glide. Red coat laying like a liquid disguise. Then UV cure, now it's hard, never die. Yeah, this ain't sanding, it's finesse and control. It's that one day system saving the floor. Walk on the same day, open up the door. Guys smiling like they ain't stressed no more.
From door to shine, from damage to design.
27 floors up. Truman every time.
Guys, check this out. Check this out. This is how a finished floor supposed to look. I don't know what they did the first time. I wasn't here, but obviously we know they did not finish these floors. They might have sanded them. They might have put some sealer down, maybe one, but they didn't, man. But guys, look how much better these floors look now. Look at that nice satin, look at that nice satin sheen. Oh, that's beautiful, man. That is beautiful. My client's gonna love this. UV cured, nice and slick, nice and smooth. Oh man, this is beautiful. All right, guys. The phone, I have booked 5 in-home consultations just today. I think either a lot of people are getting off of spring break, but something is definitely happening, okay? I booked one for tomorrow in Sandy Springs. She's one of the ones that came through today. And we have 2 projects tomorrow. One in Douglasville, the other one in Mableton. He was one of the consults I went to yesterday. I got 4 consultations Monday. All right, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, me and T knocked it out. Come on, guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, and then we also got the master's closet, which Mr. Jones asked me to do as well. There was a light in here somewhere, over here. We also did this closet. Obviously, the closet isn't finished. We also coated the closet as well, UV cured, screen and recoated. Like I said, guys, I really enjoy doing these condos, so I definitely want to get into more and more and more. Sometimes they can be a pain just to get inside the building, but it comes with the territory. So, and this is a nice one. This is probably one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. I did one in Midtown too. It was a pretty nice layout as well. Oh, that is beautiful, man. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Oh, also too, I'm gonna point out one thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now that the floor has new coating on it, you see a lot of ripples in the floor. And again, I'm not saying that the last sanding company did it, because this floor has definitely been sanded more than once. But a lot of times, if their drum sander is not working properly, what it's doing when they sand the floor, it's bouncing and it's creating those what we call chatter marks. Or sometimes that's what those come from. Sometimes you see like when it's kind of like dug in, that's when they don't pull the drum sander up in time and it keeps digging into the wood. But this right here, if you look from, if I could, like, you might can't see it on the video, but when I look from an angle, especially up in here, you see all these lines everywhere. That's the drum sander. It's bouncing when they're sanding. And now that the floors have some finish on it, you can really see it. But again, I mean, most of the time, it won't bother most people. And then especially by the time you get furniture in here, things like that. All right, guys, see you in the next one.